Which club performance are you most anticipated during the Hyper?
I think Prabha.
It's like I'm excited about all the club's performances, not like any specific club.
अगेन मैं कहूँगा कि ड्रामेटिक्स और डांस क्लब का जो होगा वो अच्छा होगा.
Dance is the one which I like the most. Of course, only to see. I cannot dance much myself.
I believe that this time, in my opinion, that Bhangra will rock this time. That is my personal opinion, of course.
This time again goes with Music Club and with the Rizvis and Dravida also.
What according to you is best part of Hillfair?
The best part of the Hill Fair, we can say that it brings a platform for all the students to be there, starting from the first year to fourth year.
Best part of Hillfair is our own students performing on stage confidently.
Exposure to the students.
Everybody is happy. Students, they get a break from their studies.
My best Hillfair memory was when I was the jury member for the Battle of Bands, where different colleges were there and our colleges also participated, and it was event or the participants for different like we had from Simla, we have other nearby places also we had it. So that was one of the best memory.
You know, the way they are coordinating with each other, I really appreciate. In this generation, the quality which I appreciate is everyone has their own defined role and nobody enters into others' role. Like somebody is a good singer, but if the other one is singing, he won't indulge into.
What changes would you like to make in this Hillfair?
Change is that like we have only night things, but we can, the evening we generally start. So we can think of some events which can also be done in the daytime, though for a short span.
While incorporating changes with the new era, I want that my student should not forget our own ethics, our own culture. So whatever is the culture of India, I want a fashion show which will showcase the culture of each and every region of India.
Decorations, I think, were much better in earlier times when the entire campus was decorated.
The decoration, first of all, like all over the institute, it should feel like a festive thing and that we are celebrating the Hill Fair and we are organizing it. So Hill Fair के glimpse जो है वो पूरे institute में नजर आया as per the decoration and all.
Competitive events. There must be more competitive events of the students regarding most of the activities.
Participations from other institute which they come for Battle of Band mostly, but I believe that there are other events also where we can have the competitions among them so that we can find the best artist.
In music, you can have the songs of various languages, which will attract more participation from all the regions of students, because this is a national institute and we have students across the nation. So that will also add a value. We normally give more importance to English, but why can't we invite other languages of our own country?
Which is your best Hillfair memory?
बेस्ट मेमोरीज 2009-2010 की वो लोकल जो चीज़ें बच्चे प्रेजेंट करते थे अपनी स्टेट की, वो ज़्यादा मेमोरेबल चीज़ें हैं, अभी भी हमारे दिमाग में चलती हैं.
Our children are our proud, and we always, in fact, I tell you, the external artists who are coming here, whatever may be with due respect to their talents, I always find our own students performing at par with them.
This collaboration among different years, whether it's a BTech, dual degree, masters, everybody is collaborating well, and moreover they help each other to learn the things which we have.
It's like last year the music club performed very well, and I think the Rhythmis club, they performed of like various folk dances, so it was very good. Like not only Himachal, they covered all the states, few states at least, and it was very nice. What our students perform, not the invited bands and all. We like कि हमारे जो students हैं वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से perform करें.
Message to the students.
Okay, because I'm now playing the role of the in charge of discipline club. So my message to the students will be to have fun, to enjoy the event, but to make sure not to disturb others, stay disciplined, and make the event successful.
Enjoy it to your fullest, but try to be in discipline also.
Whatever you are doing, do it for the purpose which will contribute to the progress of nation, of course with the progress of your own as well as institute and nation.
Enjoy करो, that's it, मज़े करो और सीखो उससे.
The message I would like to say, enjoy, live your years, because these are the best 4 years of your life. You will never get it, because even we have felt it during our time. Enjoy well and feel that this is one of the best 3 days of your life.
Like enjoy it fullest, okay, but maintain the decorum.
मेरे को ये चीज़ें थोड़ा सा वो लगती हैं कि अगर जो टीचर बैठे हैं देखने, अथॉरिटी बैठे, डायरेक्टर, रजिस्ट्रार, सब सारी अथॉरिटीज़ होती हैं वहाँ पर, तो अगर उनको ये स्ट्रेन रहे माइंड में कि डिसिप्लिन कंट्रोल रहे तो ठीक है, तो फिर वो मतलब इंजॉय नहीं कर पाते हैं सभी, ना बच्चे इंजॉय कर पाते हैं ना टीचर इंजॉय कर पाते हैं. हालांकि ये इंजॉयमेंट पीरियड होता है और करते वही बच्चे हैं जो नशा करके आते हैं वहाँ पर, और वो 2-4 बच्चे होते हैं वो हुड़दंग क्रिएट करते हैं, जो वो चीज़ अच्छी नहीं है.
So I wish a great luck for the grand success of Hillfair 2025.